were listening to our show this morning, but I did play her first X Factor audition on the air, which has had over 17 million views on YouTube so far, and it's her own song.
She's going to be singing another new song that you've never even heard tonight as well. Let's make some noise and give a massive welcome to one of our own. It's Lucy Spragga!
Thank you so much for the support that I've been getting over these last few weeks. You've been absolutely amazing. This first song I'm going to play for you, some of you know it as Last Night and some of you know it as Beer Fair. Feel free to fill in the blanks if you know them. Last night I told you I loved you, woke up, blamed it on the bunker. I genuinely thought I was dying, and I could see that smile you were hiding. Last night I told you I need you, that's the last time I drink tequila. Super lemon and the side keeps sulking, I'll start crying and doubly assaulting. Last night I asked you to marry me, that's when I remembered the brandy. I wake up and claim I didn't say it, screwed if I ever wake up in Vegas. Wish I could stop, and I'm not joking, drinking too much and socially smoking. Wish I could stop, start to behave and then wake up in the morning and never miss a day again. Last night police had to frisk me in the cell, thanks to Bell's fine whiskey. I think I said too much, like, do you like my bracelets? Oh wait, the handcuffs. So last night I said I want your babies, forget the ice, it's not nice to drink Baileys. I drink how much that I forget, whatever embarrassing thing I say next. You said I got on one knee and there's no way, unless I've been drinking. Oh wait, rosé, say the Jerry's rum, I think I drunk too much, showing randomers way too much love. Last night I called you a loser, I think that was after flaming Zambuca. I shouted at you, do me a favour, and that's when I fell off the pavement. Wish I could stop, when I'm not joking, drinking too much and socially smoking. Wish I could stop, start to behave and then wake up in the morning and never miss a day again. Cause I'd love to learn when to shut my mouth, wake up in the morning and be in my own house, do one last shot and know when to stop. No more photos on Facebook of me doing the robot, know when to leave and when to lock my front door. Stop waking up and treason in a bed full of people, sitting in a cupboard with my weird best friend. But I'm only young, so I'm not gonna pretend I wish I could stop, cause I'm not joking. I love drinking too much and socially smoking. If you wanna stop or learn to behave, amen. And I just missed another day again. Right now, I'm about to take a 180-degree photo of you all. So if you can all do me a favour and get your phones out and put the screen up towards me, I'm gonna take a photo.